Over the past years, there has been a positive growth in the global industrial automation industry. The industrial world is facing many technological changes which increase the urgent demand for the product and services. Fortunately, we as industrial engineering students have the opportunity to provide improvements to SMEs to be able to compete in their markets. So, here we are from A1 Group of Industrial Automation Final Assignment presents our improvements for the molding process in Carangmas Indah Jaya SMEs.
SMEs in Indonesia play a major role in its financial sector, which is to expand employment opportunities, increase employment, and to increase gross domestic product in Indonesia.
Recorded in 2016 through BPS, MSME absorbs up to 89.2% of the total workforce, provides 99% of total employment, and accounts for 60.34% of total national GDP.
With the large number of UMKM, the competition between UMKM is also very tight due to several factors. The factors are technology, information, and communication facilities.
One of the independent small and medium business that exists in the food industry sector is SMA Indah Jaya, located in the village of Sanankertamalang, which has products in the form of Carangmas snacks.
Carangmas is a fried grated sweet potato covered with liquid coconut sugar. It is kind of snack or dessert from Indonesia that is originated in the city of Malang. Recently, the whole process of making carangmas is done manually without any automated machine all the way the process.
One of the most important process is molding process. Molding process is done right after the mixture of cassava and sugar is fried. It is done that way to maintain its temperature so the mixture is still shapeable and not yet hardened. If it hardens, means that we have to refry the mixture, and refrying may make the mixture burnt and also have a rough texture.
Some problem that exist in molding process, namely first, Carangmas equipment currently still use a glass lid that has been used before. Second, operator must move quickly in processing the dough so that the Carangmas dough does not harden. Third, the risk of injury from Carangmas dough which is still hot. Fourth, the shape and size of Carangmas are made sometimes different from one another. Fifth, there is no guarantee for hand hygiene of operator and equipment.
The idea of new machine comes from the old problem wherein the production line have a problem with the mold of the cake. This device can help the employee to reduce more time and make the production become more effective and efficient. And we hope the final result is UKM Indah Jaya can produce Carangmas efficiently and every product have the same size.
Of these two are 250 watts compressor ducts, PLC connected with a valve, electric cable, the tool frame, pneumatic pump, servo motor S90, cutting scissors, AA battery as a power supply, the battery slot that made of ABS plastic, switch made of stainless steel.
Okay, I will explain the working mechanism of our concept. There are two mechanisms that support the work of this tool, which is semi-automated and automated. There are not many different components on the following two mechanisms. The difference between the two mechanisms is only by the power supply, where the compressor are useful to support automated mechanism and manual pumps are support the semi-automated mechanism. The tool also equips the concept of the karakuri, which can minimize the work of operator and minimize the number of work accidents on the following tools. The concept of the karakuri is inclined plan on the product base and automation on the cutting scissor.
Okay, let's get started. The first is a semi-automatic mechanism, where the power supply that's relied on in this mechanism is a manual pump. The energy supplied by the operator's push can move pneumatically down. One push is assumed to be able to get the desired Charang Mas products. Fluid pressures generated by a manual pump will be controlled through a control valve that will drive the solenoid coil, so that the fluid pressures can directly move pneumatically downward. Then, Charang Mas products come out from the machine and are still in a sustainable form. Therefore, cat scissors are needed.
In the semi-automatic mechanism, cutting scissors are equipped with one switch, servometer, and 3 WA batteries to provide electricity for cutting scissors. Every second, the cutting scissor will cut the product that has come out of the tool. After that, the Charang Mas product will go down through in the inclined plane, where the function of the inclined plane is mitigation in reducing the level of defect in the product produced.
For the next step is about second mechanism, which is automated, by first switching the lever on the device to one turn. With that means the PLC will automatically pull the pressure fluid to the compression and distribute it to the controller valve that will move pneumatically. That will be affected into PLC also directly move the scissor according to the program that every second it will make cuts. After the tools been used, the operator must switch toggle to order the device off to save energy produced by the compression.
Compared to the existing equipment, the application of Charang Mas molding machine and the improvement of Charang Mas molding process, there are many advantages that can be obtained. First, by using this machine, the material handling activity can be minimized, where the use of this tool design will reduce the double movement in molding process.
Then, the second is the amount of product that will be increased because in the one sprinting, this tool can produce a cake Charang Mas equivalent to 6 cakes. This happens because the pastry machine can accommodate all the dough that has been through the frying process.
Third, the production time will be shorter because it only takes time to operate the tool and it will be print by itself. For example, in automatic use, the operator only needs to press the on and off button so that automatically and continuously the machine moves pressing and cutting Charang Mas. Similarly, on semi-automatic machines, the operator only needs leg movements to press the tool lever.
Fourth, the resulting product will be more hygienic because using this tool will minimize contact with the operator or human. This is needed in the food factory to maintain the quality of food that will be distributed and traded.
And the fifth is the process will be more effective and efficient. By using this machine, the production time and the cycle time will be shorter, increase the production rate, and lower energy use for worker. So that's all from our group. We hope this design machine can help Charang Mas Indah Jaya in their production process. Thank you!